friend William. Another day in his favorite garden, playing by himself, talking to his imaginary friends.
I wish I could fly like a kite, then I could soar high into the heavens, touch the sun with my fingers, feel the cold to my clouds. Maybe I could even see an airplane passing by. I wish I could fly like the birds, then I could see all the world below me. Then I would find that my house is smaller than my thumb. I'll be free up there in the sky.